I'm going to show you a side hustle that you can legally do and make $5,000 a month easily. And don't worry about competition, because about 2% who watch this video will actually take action. And literally anyone can do this. Just be passionate about it. So let's get started. Let's go to clickbank.com. The site looks something like this. And the first thing you want to do is sign up to get a free account. Outstanding year-end. Now go to the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, there's a list of categories. Find something that you have passion for. Let's choose a category. Let's try health and fitness. Okay, let's sort by gravity. Gravity tends to be the highest converting and best selling products. Just swipe over the icon and it'll tell you what this icon means. So if you decide to promote this product, you'll get $146.07 per sale. The next one is $117 per sale. Here's another one, the smoothie diet, 21-day rapid weight loss, $28.69 per sale. Once you decide to narrow it down to what you want to promote, click this top link and it will take you to the next page. Once you click that link, it'll bring you to a sales page, something like this, and you can get familiar with the page. You can see what it's all about. So if you're happy with the sales page and want to move forward, here's the next step. Then you want to click promote. The account nickname should be the same name you signed on with. Then generate a hop link. Now you have generated a hop link to track all your sales. Congratulations on moving forward. Now what? Now take that hop link and promote it on social media accounts. If you want a more fluent way of doing this, drop second income in the comments. And don't forget to like and follow.